Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Like, share, and subscribe. You feeling my vibe as usual. Parental discretion is definitely advised. Today, we gonna get into some family ties. I got some tea. I had too much coffee. Let me expose the spies. These people thought that they were wise. Yo, remember I told y'all they was playing with that graveyard dirt, and they just tried to put them put them goats and them chickens down. I say no, it's too late. When y'all told to stay away from the graveyard, when y'all told not to fuck around, or did somebody send y'all? Anyway, this how it's going down in the town. Lord have mercy. Let's really wow and beguile. You know what? Just so happened. It was only one of these in that store in Barnes and Nobles, right across from one of the goats, right? Let me tell you something about some shit that I found out. Like I said, I just be watching documentaries and stuff and things be coming up in my feed and it tickles my fancy. Yo, they was playing. These bitches were really living in a fantasy. Y'all wasn't stealing shit from me. Like I said, this go back. We beyond centuries. But just so happened, this information came to me. I was trying to enjoy my coffee and then all this shit started dropping. Y'all know where I brought this from. What have you motherfuckers become? Parental discretion is advised. Yo, I don't know why I'm pulling this out, but anyways, I got my deck of cards, my cards out. And let me tell you how they bought the why they in the drought. Like I said, they played in the graveyard. They thought they was doing something. They thought that I wasn't gonna figure this out. Like I said, I'm not. I'm like putting it out, but it is what it is. Yo, it's a tower moment about them people. Look at what they did. They was playing in the dark and they got struck by evil. I told y'all, I knew. And I really got ties to some people. Remember what I told y'all too about this? Looks like a graveyard, huh? Let me tell y'all how stupid these bitches could get when they just digging up shit because they think they smarter than this. Like I said, I don't engage with the nonsense. I don't have to join the convent to do what I do. I'ma stay lit. Like I said, I respect everybody, even if they on the bullshit. But I don't think that the higher ups gonna be too proud of this. But y'all did. I heard let's spill it. Spill it. Tell that shit. Pass the peas like they used to say. Yo, Abramovich. I just heard Susan B. Anthony. Douglas. People was everywhere digging up his shit. Bugsy. They was all over this shit. Like, y'all was playing in the graveyard with the wrong shit. Like I said, it got bigger than what we thought, huh? It was bigger than them stealing my money, huh? They thought I was a dummy, huh? They try to wrap me up like my mom is dumb. I told you I have some information that's blowing me. Yo, I was supposed to be down in the dumps. I told y'all this ain't what you want. They placed me here. The money is bigger than what you thought, huh? This shit feel weird. Anyways, I'm gonna just go off what I hear. Told you the dead could speak. Ah, I was supposed to be scared. Like I said, it didn't matter the title. I don't know who thought it was cool to come over here fucking with me and I didn't do nothing to you. But I understand why you bitches was playing with the voodoo. Like I said, Abramovich, they was playing with your shit. I don't know if you sent them, but I know somehow you tied into this. I know I wasn't supposed to mention no names, but god damn it, it's supposed to be linked correctly. Fiber baskets. That's why these bitches is getting whacked left and right. I'm telling you. Didn't I tell y'all everybody not racist? If you take it back and you pull up those pictures, a lot of us have familiar faces. Our ancestors. And they still try to play me out like I was basic. Like I said, they was calling those jobs and everything. And I was working my ass off because, I'm a laborer too. If we go into the masculine side, like shit, that's what my family do. Like, especially I was telling y'all about grandpa and the crew. These people are shrews, five or sticks. Somebody went in with all those lies. Look at them whispering. Like I said, y'all wasn't getting my motherfucking shillings. Not nan dividend. And as I mentioned too, a lot of these whores trying to will a man in. Like, I ain't gonna hold you. Shit. It is what it is. Bring the marching band in. Like I said, I go left to right with this. I heard somebody's candid. Know about them scams then. Yeah, the son of knives. Too many scamming. Yeah, we need my money then. It was funny till it ain't funny here. This the Miss Ida. That's the bitch that been setting all the fires. the high priestess, and act like I don't know about everybody in hiatus. Where is that coming from? But it is what it is. Yeah. Like I said, a lot of that shit is crazy. These bitches was really doing blood sacrifices, and these people was in on it. Who promised you money? Who who stole mine from me? Like I said, I got family. 100 years deep. Shit, y'all always in between the sheets. Told y'all this a legacy. This my family. Everybody, damn. Y'all was channeling? That's crazy. Y'all folks is real shady. Papa was a rolling stone. Wherever he laid his hat was his home. And when he died, all he left y'all was alone. And y'all tried to sell me out? Now, everybody who was in on that about to poof be gone. Let me get one of these. Give me one for the Lord. I wasn't even going this deep, but shit, the nose know. Some people be fronting about their downloads. Like they could go in and they could pick up our shit and then bring it back to the convent. Like, who the fuck been sharing my shit? Like I said, I don't judge anybody. I just wanted my payments. And wasn't nobody about to put me down on no lame shit. I'm not no sacrifice for their bitch. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm too motherfucking grown. And any bastard that thought that they was about to bust a move off of my head, oh, poof, be gone. Yo, it's gonna be a lot of sad songs. Some of these bitches ain't gonna be no more. They ain't gonna have no more thoughts to bring to their dome. It's a lot of people that know. A lot of people took loans. That's what I just got. A lot of people took fucking loans. Railroad bill, the fucking chariot, right here. And then like I said, it goes way, way back. Coming for their head. Yo, oh my God, I hate to use your name. But this how you bake bread, right? This how you break bread, right? With this railroad bill, this chariot here. We came in at night. Everybody knew. Like I said, we had some real ones and some fakes. I'm down with the quakes. And we already know who ain't. The jealous takes. Jealous ass motherfucking snakes. So they was playing with everybody. Got the seven of baskets here. See the garden? They was playing with everybody. Didn't I tell y'all about that graveyard dirt? Come on now. And they thought they was mixing up a potion. Then somebody, oh, this bitch was rubbing that dirt in like lotion. She thought she was gonna get the notion. I second that emotion. Mm. Scrying mirrors, chanting and shit. I could hear them. That's hot. I did not know. This is really, really weird. I'm not crazy. Go out to Mount Hope. Check it out, deers. Ain't that where they tried to sack yo? That wasn't gonna be something that y'all could reverse, you know. Like I said, we were supposed to unite and put in work. Like I said, some dumb assholes. Greedy folks. I wasn't playing about the churches, you know. I'm not gonna judge you, but you was better off playing with your own folks. Technically, I'm not one of them. Don't you know that they done made them promises that they can't keep? Don't you know that? You really, really should have known, yeah. Don't you know that? Look at the father baskets. Don't you know that? And the father Sims, yo, this is what, oh my God, look, see? This, yo, I can't believe I'm doing this. I can't believe that's that's why they was trying to fuck up my shit. Yo, look at how he got that furry shit. Come on now. Why am I yo, my people's already had it made, bro. Balanced on both sides. And somebody came in and lied. This a woman. She thought that she was about to own this. Her whole family. Ooh, they in shambles. Acting like everything all right, but really sad in there lonely. And don't you know that? See, when you do things, you supposed to stand on that shit. Like I said, I had they were. Oh my God, I was trained for this. I feel like I just was born for this. Yo, I don't like I said, it's the whole fucking town, bro. They act like we don't know how it goes down. I said we and shit. Like I said, it's me and a strong army. Like I said, y'all played with the dead, and they gave me the Tommy gun. They really armed me. Like This is not just a a solid team. This feels like a dream. Did I tell y'all the Twilight Zone? Mm. And I told y'all to leave me alone. Look, yo, you can't even make this shit up. This I call him Gula. This the hangman. And then I just got y'all better pick a tree coming for me, the magician. I'm not well, well, that's my ancestors. Y'all played in the graveyard where y'all about to dwell. Some of them can't even gonna be able to afford that shit. Oh well. And it ain't hard to tell. Somebody's scared of the cell. Eight of stakes. Somebody's scared of the cell. Yeah, these messages go far. They impel. All that shit y'all sent to me. Tree. They in the tree. Yo, tree wisdom. The Empress tree, the hoodoo, you know about the the tree people, the stick people. These people are pure evil, trying to steal from somebody. Y'all can't take nobody's. This is the emperor. Y'all can't John Horse. Y'all can't take nobody's source. And you know what I just heard? That's why a lot of y'all about to get divorced because your man know that you're really a whore. Like, yo, like I said, y'all want to expose people and then you get mad, you regret, you remorse. Like I said, anything I do is personal, of course. But since you wanted to take it off course, you got to pay me. Because a lot of people got sick trying to play me. They were catfishing everybody. Yeah. Now I know they sorry. And I just heard something about the hotel lobby. Yo, 2 of coins. Now they really sorry. They juggled. They played themselves. They weren't balanced and they got washed away. Like I said, bitch back to hell. Let me see what's under here. Yeah, 3 of coins. That's the collaboration. They thought they knew what they was doing. Conjoined. Is that money? You got the jar right there. You got the crystal ball right there. You got a bitch acting like she worship God, but yo, she don't. And at this point, I really don't care. Like I said, I know both sides. They started me off early, so I will be aware. The mother of knives put a depth to those guys. The clarity. Look at the shit I'm sharing. It could be used as a parody. I guess when they were sending whatever they were sending, it was supposed to put a fear in me. They ain't know I kept a lion near and dear to me. But they thought they was doing it in the dark. This also represents people. You see, um, God gave me the ability to make them drop on their knees. What they offered up was beef. This the fucking ten of knives, 10 of swords, bro. They brought that shit to my door. They act like I didn't know about they offer that they thought that they was gonna explore. Like, can't nobody fuck with this. Like I said, your crew scorched. With the life-size torch. Need I say fucking more? That's creepy. Mm-mm-mm. Look at them bones. Look at the messages. I told y'all to leave me alone. Yeah. And it's a whole bunch of bullshit coming straight to y'all home. Y'all came for this. For no reason. Playing with my dome. Like I said, I listen to my music. And I don't abuse it. It's just what it is. I know how to use it. And that's how I stay mused. And these people thought that they was going to make me lose when they did what they do. Y'all didn't know about Father Sims. You bitches did not have a clue. The Temperance Angel. Who is him? Doesn't this look like Grandpa? Fucking Simps. And then this nigga who did this shit, no cap, is a pole for motherfucking wimp. We gonna go left or right with it. I told you I'm like the Goodyear blimp. This shit still gonna hit international news. Might as well get you a new, some blue suede shoes because you about to be walking with a limp. Mother of baskets. I give it to you. Bring you the news. Look at the numbers. Look at all the clues. Do you know how long they've been doing this to me? Who a fool? Those people bodies are gone. But their spirits, they refuse to lose. That's why these weak fools got the blues. Yeah. Whole bunch of motherfuckers confused about them liars. Look what they did. For all them snakes. They tried to put around me. But look at the I don't know what you call that. But that's when you killing all that. Come on. I told you bitches to fall back. What I don't know, I just call God on that. And he brings straight facts. Like I said, I been knew about the rats and I knew about the baths. Thank you, Auntie. I added it up. Now y'all do the math. I happened to meet her, so that's good. Because physically, that's what I had. No wonder we used to sit and just gaze at each other. I been knew about the salt baths. Just because one of my peoples was going out bad. But the reason why she did is because she was playing with them bitches' bag. Like I said, they do voodoo. Get the fuck out of here. Who knew? And then you see these bitches around here that's unaware. Like I said, I don't give a fuck about the race. Don't come for me, bitch, unless you're ready to die right there in your place. I'm serious, and it's not about threatening nobody. It's just that shit. You gonna be a dead body. Yo, y'all already robbed me. Like I said, your grandparents and all them bitches was real sloppy. That's why I said that shit. Y'all wanted to play in the graveyard? You dumb bitch. And these horses was not trying to let go. I mean, they should have just let it go. Like, leave me the fuck alone. Now, them bitches is about to be bones. Look at the two sticks. That's the scissors. Look at this motherfucker looks a little crippled. Like I said, they got a lot of shit going on. Damn. And I ain't had to be around them to know. But I knew by the way they presented themselves, how they act, that it was a no go. Not no go. I saw. I mean, they not care if you don't like the Lolo. You know, mm, like shit. But don't play me like I'm slow. Like I said, they pushed Shannon down the stairs, so she lost her flow. She went out with the Lord. She said, "You know what? Don't worry about it. It's in the Lord's hand. You got to be the bigger man." I won't ever forget that. Like I said, she used to rock me to church. She used to fix my skirt. She was always alert. That's why she used to give y'all the eye. Like, even though she needed those glasses after she got hurt. See, when you pray and live by faith, can't nobody play with your worth. Look, yo, that song. I got to because it's right here. I can do magic. One snap of the finger, girl. I perform a trick on you. 'Cause I can do right in front of your very eyes. That shit crazy. I can do magic. That's why they didn't want me to have kids. One snap of the finger, girl. I perform a trick on you. Anything you want me to do. That's why they put me here. That's why they threw away all my paperwork. You know what pissed me off this morning? When I was, I still get up, even if my kid don't have to go to school. So I still made it my routine to get up, not to fall into laziness, even though I haven't been working, physically going out. And, and like I said, once Grandpa passed away, and then my mom, it's like these bitches try to really fade me. Did real shady ass shit. Um, like I said, I had been applied for everything. I didn't know about mental magic, but it worked, and I did what I had to. Like, I just kept it moving. How many times they tried to kill me? Shit, it's proven. Everything on wax. One thing I could say, since it came more currently, 20 years back, everything still was on track. Because remember, the database is where it's at. Like I said, let's take it there. Them satellites play fair. You can erase anything. Yo, they take big butt when they started those fucking computers. I just heard Bill Gates. Yeah, had deciphered the users. Hey, I'm sorry to use you guys' name, but fuck that. Rick James? Woo. Deciphered. Why is this here? The seven of knives, the seven of coins. Like I said, straight liars. These people put a lot of people in the fire, and then look, they was cooking up all kind of shit. Y'all know I know about cooking up. Well, I don't know about it, but I seen enough. I hate to say your name again, but shit, Ramovich, they was playing in your stuff. Now I don't know what they sent you, and I hope they didn't. This information is essential. That's what's what I heard. But hands down, all the motherfuckers got curved. You reap what you sow. So when you call on death from somebody, you don't know somebody was born in 77. Yeah, these some young hoes, if that's the case, because I know y'all some pros. Like, it's a lot of old folks, like I said, that taught these bitches the shit that they know, and they thought that shit was a goal. They went to sleep permanently because that shit was a no no. A lot of people lost their mothers. Mine was one of them. She was like no other, and I remember her. I remember some shit she used to say, and it was just like, maybe my mom is a little crazy in a way. But see, what people fail to realize is that I remember her mind getting erased. I watched all this shit. Yo, you couldn't hide shit from my face. That's probably why they, while I was falling down them stairs and shit. Like, okay, but I was still awake. Yeah, somebody born, somebody 77-year-old mom about to be asleep. Somebody 77 going out because they wanted to be number one. So that means the bitch would be 45, between 45 and 46. You know, because they switched up everything. And then they got that, what, 12? Oh no, the 13th Zodiac. I don't know why they thought this shit was an act. They played with the wrong motherfucker, sacrificing cats. Wasn't about to mess with mine. Look at Moochie. She came in. She sleep with me. She follows me. The guy that like, I think she appreciate what I did for her. She more appreciative than these copycat whores. Yeah, so you got, wow, it's sticking out to me. Seven, of course. So y'all did y'all seances by the seventh, possibly on the seventh, of course. Grandpa died on the eighth. I sat 7 days with my mom in hospice. Isn't that like playing in your face? I thought it was supposed to be 2 to 3 days. That's when I learned about the loud say to the face. I guess I was supposed to lose my way. Look, the mother of knives. Mother of baskets. That's still clarify. I don't know why I said mother of knives, but shit, that's still clarity. That's the one who knows. Before she died, yo, she rose. Remember I told y'all about the dream with my mother? Who? Stranger Things. She was over herself. Mm. Fucking with me was bad for y'all health. Mm. Dr. Grant, that's having the knowledge. Watching me, he collected everything he needed. Basically, the nails. This the nine, the nine of knives. These people, ooh, yeah, like I said, the nine of knives. It was playing in the graveyard. It is not a skull. These not knives digging into something. And shit, I just got taken lives. These are fruits. Nine of baskets. It's stuck. They knew a lot of stuff. And then this shit was hidden too. You guys were pretty smart, but you didn't have it tucked. You guys were smart. Like I said, they gave it to me rough, so me give it back. Me come, me strong buck, huh? Tough motherfucking luck. Same lot as y'all thought y'all had. Dotty dotty. We likes to party. I don't cause trouble and I don't fuck with nobody. I'm just a girl that's on the mic. And when we step up to the plate, me rock the mic right. Mm. Somebody wanted all the smoke. That's what I'm getting out of that. They want all the smoke. They want all the smoke. Look at the regretful card. They want all the smoke. They thought I was a joke. I'm not regretful about all any of this shit now. It's just sad how they try to put me down. Bitch, I ain't no dog. They try to break me like I'm a horse. Like I'm a frog, a bump on the log. I think not, y'all. Like I said, they came for me and I'm the mother. Yo, they came for me because I'm the motherfucker. I got that hot sauce. You know what? The beat, the hot nigga beat just came in here. Yeah. Don't talk to me if ain't about that shmoney. That shmoney. They knew about grandpa and them. Don't go about that shmoney. The daughter of sticks and the son of baskets. Yeah, this the fucking this the night of wands. They thought they found something, hun. This day surprise. Look at the look in his eyes. They thought that I was about to that they was about to light my motherfucking fire. But I know I'm the business brand. I was talking to their spies. Don't come to me if ain't about that smarty. This morning. This morning. Now, look at all them options, all them opportunities they fucked up with. They had everything under the sun, and there was seven of them. Dunce. Dunce cops them. I like that. They like that. And it's like that, yeah, just like that. And the panting all washes like that, yes, just like that. Yep, you get the crash. Cause y'all lied. Y'all was trying to win at all costs. About the star, bro. Put me money upon the back. Y'all did this shit. Y'all started the hashtag. Talking about I was slow when I was super bad. uh, uh, I got soul and I'm super bad. Uh, 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 and I'm on their ass. Look, see, they killed me and I came right back. I was like, no. Now go get their ass. Yo, that's crazy. When you pray to God, though, y'all, can't nobody play with you. The daughter of knives. That's the I'm gonna say yeah, that's the knight of swords. Told you I was all over yours. I just didn't say anything because it's creepy. And nobody believed that shit. Especially, you know, with everybody on the same side as the horse. Like, well, she doing this for me, so fuck you. We gonna do what we gonna gang up together because we about to take something from you. And I was like, no, I'm super bad. mm, mm. I got something that tell me what to do. Do, 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 do. That want to tell myself with you. Look, the wisdom to close the door on your stupid ass. Lord have mercy, Monday. Monday. See, that's why they was scared to come. Don't get too close. Somebody thought that they was mentally like this. They thought that they was headstrong. Whatever. Okay. This shit is crazy. Yeah. Crazy. You thought you was about to play me? You must be crazy if you think you gonna try to play me. You must be crazy if you think that you're not going to pay me. Ooh, wee. That didn't shuffle right. Yeah, but shit, that must have came. It came back up for a reason. That's for anybody though. Anybody with that type of energy that think they smoke wasn't gonna get exposed. They pulled up and they chose. You need to talk a little bit louder. I heard the thing you said. No pressure on my money. I'm coming to run up the checks and what? Ain't no pressure on this money, babe. You need to talk a little louder. I ain't heard nothing they said. They put that pressure on my money and I came for my bread because I'm tired. You thought I forgot, bitches, you dumb. And then this part come. How you think I made it this far? Cause God with me. Get a mother of sticks. I've been bowling for some decades. They gave that faggot some decades. Come on, don't think I don't know how bitches thought they was about to play. Grandpa died like those in those days. I don't know why I said grandpa, but you know, they started dropping the information to me spirit. That's how me drew the eye that you see. Cosmic downloads. Seeing the bigger picture, y'all. Yeah. The high priestess and all who involved. And then having the eye priestess, having the high priestess all in this here too, y'all. Gave me the connection to have this problem, get this problem solved. This is a motherfucking to a six. Damn, yeah. Problem solved. Look at the three of knives. Problem solved with the devil card. Let's not play with me, y'all. And like I said, ain't nobody getting nothing. Hell to the no. But with the sacrificial reversal, I'm just saying. Like I said, I'm not perfect. But who the fuck they thought? Who the fuck they playing with? Bitch, get her a hole. You ain't know? I'm about to put these down for the low. Right. Mother of coins. That's the Queen of Pentacles. I'm grounded. You know, when you pay attention to what's going on around you, people can't fuck with it. Like that's that clown shit. I've been over with it. They just didn't know. They thought they was about to get it. Okay, past life healing, letting go of anger, and I forgave them, but they didn't. They still wanted to go and make wagers. So guess what? I had to do them a little favor. Now y'all got some people to put with the tomatoes. Feed they asses to the gators. Portal. I'm just saying, it is what it is. That's how you go with the flow. They called that shit and they put it in that order. The way y'all shake up the system. Mm, 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 mm. Sacred sites, grid work, and dragon energy. Mm, like I said, it's the synergy. But anyways, we got the expansion, the galactivations, the initiation, in the ancient Egypt. Worth is weight in gold. And I'm super bad. They said I don't take care of my shit. Okay. Y'all seen them cameras. They lit the violet flame. Y'all was watching all that time? Yeah, I got an inner child. I'm innocent. I'm aware of self. That's why I'll be acting up. I learned that back in the days. Even though I can. It just don't sit right. It causes wrinkles. See, this the catalyst for change. Because I got clarity and freedom. I unbinded myself from the stupid things. And it's like, if you don't fuck with me, it's okay. Go and do what you do. Go hang. But when you need help, don't look for me. I'm not in range. Queen Codes, her story, and healing distortions. Not all wonders are lost. You know, when you stand alone, that really make you a boss. And look at what I had to do on my own. Clear the way and open the door for luck and opportunity. But God is the luck, though. Yeah, for my hating hoes. Starstruck, now, digging this flow, you can't steal this, huh? That's a, oh no. I'll be back with some more. Thank y'all. And I'll be back with some more.